All right, guys. So we want to begin the next shape here, which is this rectangle shape. Now, if you can watch very closely, this is a rectangle shape that has been rotated. Okay. So the first step is to draw the rectangle. Now, remember, anytime you want to draw a shape and you want all the dimensions to be equal, always hold down your shift. Hold down your shift key on your keyboard, then draw. Okay, hold down your shift key on your keyboard, then draw. Okay, now after drawing the shape, what I will do next, sorry, let me off all of these smart guides and all these things here. Snap to grid, let's off all of those things. Snap to points, snap to glyph. Now the next thing we want to do is to rotate the shape. First, I want to color it. Let me just give it any color. You already know how to color, so I'm not going to go through that one again. So I'm going to rotate it. Now to rotate it, come to the edge here. Once you come to the edge here, you would see this little arrow that changes. So once that arrow changes, all you do is hold down your left click on your mouse and rotate. You see that? Now, if you want it to rotate to a perfect 45-degree angle, hold down your shift. Then you just move it once. It rotates to a perfect 45 degree. Okay, hold down your shift, then you rotate to a perfect 45 degree. But if you don't want that, if you just want to rotate it, let it be moving with you as you're going, just come here, hold down your shift, then just drag and it just moves gradually like this until you have what you want. Okay, so but I will go with the one of a perfect 45-degree angle. So that is, I will just hold down my shift, come here, and hold down my left click and move. Okay, then I can reduce the size. All right, so that's for that one. Now the next one we want to do is this one. Now this one is a polygon. Okay, now a polygon is here. Most of the shapes are inside this place. Okay, this is where you get most of the shapes. Now we're going to select the polygon tool. Okay, then we're going to draw a polygon. Same thing, hold down our shift, then draw perfect polygon. Then I'm going to drag it. Remember what we said, anytime you're done drawing and you want to drag the shape to a certain position, just click on your shape tool, or your selection tool, then drag it down here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want this shape to have only the color inside, sorry, only the color outside, that is only the boundary color, only the line color should be there. Sorry, we don't want this color inside, the fill color we want it to go, only the boundary color that we want. Now how do we do that? Now we're going to select this color must be on top, select this color, then we're going to put off this color inside. So I'm going to just do this and say none. So only the color outside we want to have. Then I'm going to hold down my shift to reduce the size like this. But see one trick. If I want to reduce the size from all angles, I want the size to be reduced from all angles, I will hold down my shift and my alt key together. Now what did I say? If we want shift plus alt, these two keys held together. Okay, what does it do? Now notice what we can do with that. Now when I select this and I come here and I hold down my shift and my alt together, you would see that I can reduce the size of the shape and increase it from all dimensions, from all angles, I mean. You see that? Okay. Now, if I hold down only my shift, you notice that it's reducing only from this upper part or only from the specific part that we are choosing to reduce. So if we come here, hold down and shift, hold down left